In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook page name 2026 step by step. If you need to update the name of your Facebook page, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. Before you begin, there are two important things to keep in mind. First, you need to have admin access to the page. Otherwise, you won't be able to make this change. Second, Facebook only allows page name changes within its rules, and you usually need to wait 60 days between name changes. So make sure the new name you want is the one you're ready to use. To get started, go to Facebook and make sure you're logged into the correct account that manages the page. From there, switch into your page's profile. This is important because the name setting needs to be changed from the page itself, not just from your personal profile view. Once you're in the page profile, open the Settings and Privacy menu. Inside that menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the main area where your page options are managed. Next, look for Page Setup and click on it. In the Page Setup section, you'll see different details related to your page identity and basic information. Find the option labeled Name and select it. Now enter your new page name carefully. This is a good time to double check spelling, capitalization, and formatting before moving forward. Since Facebook may review the change, it's also a good idea to choose a name that clearly matches your brand, business, or public presence and follows Facebook's naming policies. After typing in the new name, click or tap Review Change. At this stage, Facebook may show you the update before you submit it, giving you a chance to confirm that everything looks right. If it does, go ahead and continue with the prompts to submit the request. Once submitted, your page name change may not happen instantly. In some cases, Facebook may review the request first. So if you don't see the update right away, that's normal. Just give it a little time and keep an eye on your page settings for confirmation. And that's how to change your Facebook page name in 2026. As a final tip, take a moment before submitting to make sure the new name is accurate, professional, and something you'll be happy to keep, especially because of that 60-day waiting period between changes.